Here, you are going to learn avoid over-optimization in your Python code. Avoiding over-optimization is focusing on making code clear and maintainable first, and avoid premature optimization, which can make your code less clear. Here is an example illustrating the principle of avoiding over-optimization in your Python code. Let's say you are developing a Python function to calculate the factorial of a number. Initially, you want to make the code clear and maintainable. The logic is straightforward and easy to understand. It calculates the factorial of a number n using a for loop. And the second one is avoiding premature optimization, which is less clear. Premature optimization is applied by using a recursive function to calculate the factorial of n. While this code is more concise, it sacrifices clarity and readability. It may be harder to understand for someone reviewing the code, especially if they are not familiar with recursion. In conclusion, the first version of the code, the focus was on making the code clear and maintainable by using a simple for loop, and avoiding premature optimization in this case resulted in code that is easier to read, understand, and maintainable. If performance becomes concerned later, optimization techniques can be considered, but it is essential to strike a balance between clarity and optimization. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Write your comment under this video. Thanks for watching.